I salute you in the name of Jesus Christ. My name is Jacqueline, and this is JK Session. You're most welcome. These days, our people are no longer surprised about the rain because it rains almost every day. It rains almost every day. Sometime back, they were really surprised because they would just receive a little bit of it, but they used to grab out their phones whenever it rained, and even they would wake you up so that you can as well see the rain, yet you're used to it. But they were really surprised. But these days they are no longer because it rains almost every day, and even water gets to flood around. Wow.